ASL sentence structure, pronouns. This video is about personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, subject pronouns, and reflective pronouns. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns such as him, he, she, her, it, and you are signed basically the same way. You simply point in the direction of the object, the person, or thing that you're referring to, just like this. Personal pronouns, we and us. Simply point to yourself, go around just like this, and land on the other side of the chest, just like this. That's how you would sign we or us. The personal pronoun me or I, just like this. Personal pronouns them or they. Now notice when I was pointing, I had a motion involved. You want to make sure that as you point, you cover the area of the people, object, or things that you're referring to. That's how you would sign them or they. Now, with personal pronouns can occur either before or after the noun. Here's a very easy example. Here's a sentence. She has a car. Now, if I were to sign this, I would say, woman, she, have, car, she. Or I could say, she, woman, have, car, she. Now, the she is a subject pronoun, woman is the noun, so she can either go before or after woman. So let me sign this again. Woman, she, have, car, she. Or I can say, she, woman, have, car, she. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns can be repeated at the end of the sentence. Let's use the same sentence we just used with personal pronouns. She has a car. Now, we know the subject pronoun is she, so I would sign woman, she, have, car. Now, that subject pronoun, I'm going to repeat again at the end of the statement. She. So let me sign this again. Woman, she, have, car, she. I just repeated the subject pronoun at the end of the sentence. Let me do that one more time. Woman, she, or I could say she, woman, have, car, she. Possessive pronouns such as his, hers, its, or yours. It's signed the same exact way. You just point towards the direction of what or who you're referring to, leading with the palm of the hand. His, hers, its, or yours. Possessive pronouns, ours. Ours. To sign this, simply take your dominant hand, place the thumb right up against the chest, go around until the pinky touches the opposite portion. That's how you would sign ours. Possessive pronouns, my or mine, just like this. Possessive pronouns, theirs or even yours plural, just like this. Now remember we signed them or they. Now you would do it the same way but leading with the palm of the hand, just like this. Them, theirs, yours. Reflective pronouns, for example, himself, herself, itself, and yourself. It's signed the same way, just like this. Himself, herself, itself, or yourself. To sign this, simply form the letter A and then do that double motion towards whomever or whatever you're referring to. Myself. Here's another reflective pronoun, myself. Reflective pronoun, themselves. Now, notice I formed the letter A and I went towards the area of the people, group, or objects that I'm referring to, themselves. You can also use this for the plural, yourselves. Yourselves. If you've learned anything from this video, do me a favor, hit the like button. Next, hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification button and stay tuned for my next ASL video.